Good day, guys. Welcome to our YouTube channel. It's the Black Mask, and you already know the vibes. So, guys, I know I haven't been uploading this past week. I've been going through the most. I've been having problems with my tooth. I'm having wisdom tooth, so it's been painful. So I couldn't talk in a proper way. So I thought maybe let me shoot today and not leave you in the dust or just like there, like, you know. So guys, today I'm gonna show you what has been happening in my trading week, and once I'm done with it, and then I'm gonna analyze maybe one index, maybe Germany 30 or US 30, and see what we can expect on this upcoming week. So guys, without wasting further of your time, let me jump straight into the charts. So guys, let me start with gold. Gold is the I lost a trade here. I lost it too much. It's like, okay, with gold, we have been impulsing to the upside, right? And now we were here. This was like Tuesday. We have been impulsing to the upside with gold. We know that, right? We have been impulsing to the upside, and you can see right here we had a correction. We had this correction after an impulse to the upside, and then at the breakout of this correction, that was a signal to buy. But I didn't take the trade because I thought maybe like my stop was gonna be too far from but guess I was wrong. But I didn't take this trade because of that fact. And then price, you can see, pushed to the upside, and we also had this correction, which then it confirmed later at night, and I was asleep around that time. You can see we had a correction and a breakout of a correction, and then we pull to the upside to hit that next area of interest. And you can see price pulled to the upside, made this correction, nice correction over here, and then we had a nice clean breakout over there. And once the price broke out of the correction, I jumped in with a buy, and then price went to hit my stop loss, and then the price continued to move to push to the downside. And I took I was aware that this might be a larger version of a correction, because you can see now prices, we are on overall bullish momentum, right? Then I can see like, okay, this might be a correction, a bigger version of a correction. And we can see now our breakout candlestick right here, it was aggressive. It was very aggressive, and I don't know if you saw from the previous video. Like I said, when the breakout candlestick is very aggressive and leaving a large space for my stop loss, I'm not taking the trade because of the drawback the drawback might be the one that kills me. Might take me out, because of what happens if you're trading with a small account. So this aggressive candlestick here didn't allow me to enter in with a buy. As you can see, the price just went to the upside, and then he had this huge pullback to the downside. Had we entered here, we would have been taken out of this trade, but we played it safe. We let it go, and then price came back, retested this area around here, and then price pushed to the upside, and then it's in pass to the upside, and then it did break and retest, and now it seems like it's gonna continue moving to the upside. That is it with gold. Now let's jump into NAS100. With NAS100, guys, a lot has been happening also with this one over here. Okay, we know also with NAS100 we have been impulsing to the upside. And remember, like I always say, once we are in a bullish momentum or bearish momentum, or only focus on one setup. Right now in NAS100 we are on bullish momentum. I'm only looking for buying opportunities. As you can see, we had this larger version of a correction, and then once price broke above this correction, then I jumped in with a buy, because this was a signal, this was a buy signal. Then my take profit was at the next area of interest, and my stop loss was just below that support level there. And then price went to hit my stop loss and bounced back from this zone over here, which is a support, and then it pushed to the upside. Unfortunately, it hit me with a stop loss. I lost the trade. It's fine, it's part of the game. And then price pushed or impulse to the upside, corrected, gave us this clean, nice correction over here. I remember, like always, and I'm always gonna remind you, an impulse, a correction, a breakout of a correction, that's where you enter. That is a signal for us to say, okay, the market is now going to continue in the direction that it has been following currently. So you can see that we had a breakout candlestick over there, and once we had a breakout candlestick of this correction, we jumped in with a buy, and we placed our stop loss just below this low over here. And then price missed our stop loss by just a peep, and then it went to hit our take profit. That was the first win, and I was glad that we backed that one up, and then price pulled to the downside, and from there I didn't understand what is it that Nasdaq was trying to do. So for me to be safe, I decided to let go of Nasdaq and then move to the other pair. And one index that has been giving me problems, not with me taking me out or anything like that, but me trying to understand it, and then I'm not getting the grasp of it. It's been US30. It has been moving in a shady way. I don't know, but it has been moving in a shady way. You can see here we had a large correction over here. We had like the longest this like correct. It has been correcting around this zone. I was waiting for you to break and continue to go to the upside, and it did as much as I hoped for, but it didn't give me a clear impulse and a correction movement for me to eat. I can see here it gave us impulse correction here, but I wasn't aware of it. Maybe it happened at 6:30. I was busy around that time, so I couldn't clearly take it. You can see here the impulse and another correction. It went to the upside. It's part of the game. Some of the setups you will miss them. It's part of the game. But let's move on to Germany 30. The Germany 30 is the one that I killed this week. I killed Germany 30 very hard, very hard. One thing you have to understand with how I trade, I get my signals from the current momentum. I have to understand what is the current momentum of price. What is it that the price is currently doing? And I'm not gonna do counter trading. No, I'm gonna follow the market. We have been pushing to the upside for the past 2 weeks, maybe on Germany 30, or it's been a week, but I think it's been 2 weeks since the price has been pushing to the upside. I can see now we had a larger version of a correction, and once we had a breakout candlestick there of a correction, of this larger version of a correction, I have entered with a buy, and then my stop loss just nicely there below my lowest low, my current lowest low there, and then I placed my take profit there at the next zone here, where it gave me a good 1:4 risk to reward ratio, and price pulled to that area, and it hit our take profit just like that. He take profit one, and then you can see price pull impulse upside, gave us this correction. But according to the rules, we want to see the impulse. You can see, okay, fine, we had an impulse which confirms the continuation of the momentum, which is being bullish, and then we need a correction right there. Price give us a nice correction over there, and then if a breakout candlestick is as aggressive as this one, that's a bad setup. According to the way I trade, with how I trade, with an aggressive breakout candlestick like this one, I don't take this trade in normal basis. In normal cases, I don't take this trade because of I understand if maybe I enter right here and then the price maybe come to retest this zone over here, and then before it can continue to go to the upside, this drawback will kill me because of my stop loss will be somewhere around here, even way before it can hit my take profit. With a smaller account, you are out with this drawback there. So with this kind of cases, I avoid them, and you can see the price pull to the upside. What I like about price, it will give you another opportunity for being patient. The market will reward you for being patient, guys. As you can see now, I did let go of that setup there because it didn't respect my trading rules. And then we had an impulse to the upside. We had this nice correction. Once we saw this correction of like, okay, this is a correction after an aggressive impulse to the upside, and we had a breakout candlestick there of a correction. It ticked all the boxes: impulse, correction, a breakout candlestick of a correction. We enter with a buy opportunity. Our stop loss just below there, and then we target the next zone with a good risk to reward ratio, and price moved smoothly to hit our take profit just like that. And then we had this nice correction over here again, where this nicely nice pull to the upside, and then we had this correction. You can see at the breakout of this correction, this one, at the breakout of this one here, I jumped in with the buy, and then it went to hit my stop loss. But I understood, because now we are still in a bullish momentum. It's still gonna push to the upside, right? I saw it correcting in this manner. I was like, okay, maybe the price was just doing liquidity grab right here, because you can see it bounced off from a weekly time frame. Remember, these zones are weekly time frames. I draw them from a weekly time frame. And other breakout of this correction over here, then impulse, a correction, breakout of a correction there, I entered with a buy signal, and then price went to hit my take profit. We lost 25.8 pips, and then we made 78.8 pips. That's the main that's the main point of this strategy. You don't have to have a 100% winning streak. You just have to have a good risk to reward ratio, because if you can, out of 10 trades, if you can lose 5 trades and win 5 trades, meaning like 50-50, but with a good risk to reward ratio, you're able to become profitable out of that situation. As in, like here, you can see I lost this trade, but I lost only 25.8 pips, and then with this buy, with this hit take profit, I managed to grab or get myself 78.8 pips or points. Do you get the why I say you need to have a good risk to reward ratio? The good risk to reward ratio is what gives you an edge over the market to be profitable. So okay, it's fine. Once we hit our take profit and we understood this was an impulse and price decided to create this correction, guys, Gemini 30 this week was moving so smooth, like I killed it very hard. You can see over here, like price moved to the upside. We had this nice correction over here, and once the price broke this correction over here, I jumped in with a buy. And then mind you, this zone was not here, our next zone was here, you know. So I wasn't too confident to say maybe price will move just straight to that our next take to that zone there. Sorry about that, to that next zone. So I was like, okay, let me do 2 take profits now, maybe target at least 1:2 risk to reward ratio, and then put my TP2 on the next area of interest. That's what I did, guys. As you can see, I just normally targeted a 1:2 risk to reward ratio. Once I got my 1:2 risk to reward ratio, I placed this zone over here, as you can see, and I don't know, but price just rejected from there. We hit our take profit just TP1 there with a 1:2 risk to reward ratio, and then price pulled it upside, and you can see that price was doing a nice correction. You had an impulse, a nice correction, but you can see it violated our way of entering. It impulsed to the downside, but it's fine. And then price was seems like price was doing a break and retest. Once it just retested this zone over here, this support over here, price went straight to our take profit and hit our take profit, ending the week on a higher note. Guys, I killed the market this past week. So guys, and I'm aware this video is gonna be very long if I try to analyze another index. Maybe I'll let me drop this video this today, which is Saturday, and then I'm gonna drop another video tomorrow analyzing an index. I thought maybe I could analyze this, do a weekly recap with you guys of what has been happening since I didn't upload any video this past week, and then maybe upload this very same video tomorrow. But I can see like, okay, no, this is gonna be a long video if I try to put in also me analyzing the index. So with that being said, I'm gonna upload this today, which is Saturday, and then tomorrow, Sunday, I will analyze maybe 2 indices and then show you how I'm looking forward to the next week. So guys, this is the end of the video. It's the Black Mask, guys, and if you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share the video. Don't forget to comment in the comment section, guys, and remember to go and watch Nasdaq Ninja's YouTube channel, guys. That guy is like, he's on point. He is on point. He's a bullet. He's a, like, at war, and then you are dying, and then you have 1 bullet, 1 gun. Nasdaq Ninja is that 1 bullet. Take out, boom, you kill, you win. So I don't know, but guys, make sure to watch his videos. Make sure to watch his videos, and I will leave the link to his YouTube channel under my description below. So make sure to check my description below to get the link to his YouTube channel. And I'm sure you're wondering, why am I always promoting his video? He's my mentor via YouTube. He has changed my way of trading, and this is me showing an appreciation and helping you also to go and learn from him, the person whom I learned how to trade this in this manner of which using the zones. So guys, that is the end of the video, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. Until we meet again tomorrow, same time, same place on the Black Mask YouTube channel. I'm out, and Danko.